Okay, so welcome back once again, guys. Now, in this lecture, I'll be talking about another prompting strategy. So let me share my screen. Again, it's a continuation of the previous lecture itself. So if you have not watched the previous lecture, so please go ahead and watch it and then come over here. So here there is another prompting strategy called as output format instruction. So as its name suggests, output format means you are supposed to give, or you are supposed to mention a very clear instruction that give me an output only with this kind of a format. For example, so if I'm trying to say that answer in 3 bullet points, each number more, each no more than 20 words. So give me an answer, but with only 3 bullet points. I can just try to use maybe a Yuri, and I can try to ask this question. So give me a for loop example, only to example, and make sure that number of line of code should not cross 2 lines. Yeah. So I have clearly mentioned that, okay, fine. So only in this manner, I'm expecting the output. So this is called as output format instruction. If I'm going to ask a system to generate, okay, it has started generating the image. For my bad. My image was on. So maybe I can try to use a new. And yeah, so I have given a very clear instruction that it should not cross more than 2 lines. And I believe it is obeying my instruction, right? So it is able to obey my instruction. So it has given me 2 examples. And again, so I don't think that it is crossing a 2 line of a code. As simple as that. Now, generate a data for me for a movie review and give me output sample data in JSON format. So I've clearly mentioned that, okay, so give me a data, but it should be available in a JSON format. And as you can see, it is generating a data as a JSON format. Simple, right? So this is called as output format instruction. And when you are trying to do a prompting based on the expectation that you have, based on the result that you are looking for, always try to give a clear instruction that what kind of output that you are looking for, even though you are working with the frameworks or maybe with the RAG or maybe with respect to any LLM with which you are going to chat, right? And it is going to follow the instruction and it is going to give you the output. Maybe if I'm going to ask that give me a response with respect to a CSV, or maybe give me a response with respect to a tabular format, again with respect to the image, I can say that generate an image with this particular flavor, that particular flavor, or maybe try to use a font with this size. It is going to obey. But yes, you have to clearly mention those part. Otherwise, system will go like and it will try to hallucinate you, by the way. So this is something called as output format, and you can try to define that what kind of output that you are looking for. So this is another strategy that we try to follow in terms of a prompting. So hope all of you are able to understand that how this output format instruction is going to work, and you are going to follow along going forward. Yeah. So with that, thank you so much, everyone. Take care and see you again in my upcoming lecture.